Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert DOGS token to USDT on Bybit application or in the website. The very first thing you have to do, go to the asset and select DOGS. So you have to go to the Bybit, make sure you log in. Then you have to go to the asset which will be found on the top right side corner. Click on your profile icon, you will get the asset section. Now on there you have to select the DOGS. Scroll down and find the DOGS token under your unified trading account balance. Initiate a shell order. Tap on DOGS to bring up the trading interface. Select market and the order type instead of limit. Choose sell to convert DOGS to USDT because this is very important. Input the amount of DOGS you want to sell and tap 100% to sell your entire balance. Review the order details to ensure it's correct. Tap select DOGS to execute the market sale order. Your DOGS token will be sold at the current market price and the USDT proceeds with the credited to your unified trading account on Bybit. So this is how you can just convert DOGS token to USDT on Bybit. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.